Hello everybody, I'm Johnson. Today we're back with another video. In this video, we're gonna be heading to the beach because it's totally a beach day. It's hot outside, like it's mad hot outside today. So why not go to the beach? I live in Southern California. I was like, it's the middle of the day, but why not go enjoy the beach, enjoy Los Angeles, and enjoy the city, you know? So you guys, I called my express pool, right? I called it express, and it's normally like freaking, it takes a long time for them to get here sometimes. Tell me why today is taking legit 1 minute. 1 minute to get here. That's crazy, right? So I have to walk all the way to this corner. Try to get here pretty quick. Wait, you see like a bunch of dog friendly folks. What a perfect beach day. They're so beautiful today. This water is cold. It's like, oh god, it's so cold. Totally normal. We work at Universal, so we buy churro because we try to see us. It has to be good. Like, I legit work at Universal, and everybody buys churros and pretzels. And I was like, I want a churro and a pretzel, so if I find a pretzel, I might buy one. Might, but a churro, totally. The most interesting things happen at 66 night. Like, if you ever come to Santa Monica, come to the pier, it's like the back, and come right here. See a lot of good things. Like, if I have a flashback, whoa, where's that? There you go. But if I have a flashback, I will totally play it. Yeah, swing and live my best. Yo. This is like the perfect California day. Like, swinging on the beach. This is nice. So beautiful. Like, I can tell me the sunset is in the evening. Like, this was a perfect day. Look at this. A whole turnaround. I like this color right here. This is what I want for my hair. Like, if you guys know this color, please comment below. This is one pretty color. Okay, so pretty. So today was overall a great day. I didn't spend any money. I spent like $1 on a churro. That was about it. I was looking for pretzels, but the stand is closed, and I haven't vlogged in a long time. So, you know, I should vlog more. I really enjoy vlogging. But tomorrow I might go hiking. I might go hiking one day. Like, I want to go hiking and it's getting cooler. But like, that's the best time to go hiking, when it's cold. But it's like, you know, I haven't did it in so long. So I'm be tired, I'm out of breath, I'm lazy. That's really a long walk. And when you go hiking, you have to be like ready to. This is the best way to, like, I don't know, I just like hanging out by myself better. Like, I would rather be out the beach by myself instead of with a group of people or with friends or whatever. I don't know why, call me weird, but I always come by myself. Like, I always come to the beach by myself, like, no matter what. Like, I've never been to a California beach with people. Woo! Oh God. Okay, so you probably can't see me, but John Cena. Alright, I'm fixing to go home, but it's just, that's the city of Santa Monica, and then this is the pier. And I'm fixing to go home, and I'm gonna talk like this for you. There's something back there that is so pretty, like, for real. But I'm fixing to go home, and I don't know, I might go hiking tomorrow. If I do, I might mix the vlog or not, but I'm so happy to vlog again, y'all. Like, I haven't vlogged in so long. If you want to see more vlogs, let me know. I'm back home in Burbank. And yeah, it was a great night overall at the beach. So this is the end of the vlog. If you guys did enjoy, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And like I always say in my reaction videos and vlogs, whatever, I'm out.